Welcome back to my channel. This is Tech Past Now and the Future, and I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be with me. Famous line from Jay-Z. So I want to thank you all once again, and you all know that here on my channel we try as much as possible to do with you everything that has to do with automobile and technology. And what do I have today? Today I'm excited to show you this. Yes, for those of you that saw my video when this was launched sometime September last year. Yes, I criticized the hell out of Apple, saying that these Airpod Max, they didn't do a revised, they didn't upgrade it. All they just did was gave it a Type-C, and at the same time added more colors. Before you start judging me, bear with me and I'll tell you why I chose to go for the Type-C. For the Airpod Max. Irrespective of the fact that I already have the Sony X Mark V. You see it, I have the Mark V. I'll be doing a comparison of both in a separate video, so bear with me. The Mark 6 is out, but there was no need going for that because I already have the Mark V. So this is it. This is the unboxing, and I'm also going to tell you why I went for it. So before I unbox it, we unbox it together. Let me tell you why I actually decided to go for the Airpod Max. Before now, I was using the Airpod Pro 2, but I noticed that after like 6-7 months, the battery died on me. The charging case was not as effective, and eventually everything just went south. So I told myself that I was going to get a good earpiece, Bluetooth wireless earpiece, and I've always wanted an Airpod Max. But the challenge was that Apple really know how to sucker you in, because you know that their ecosystem is closed. So this is a great headphone. This Sony WX Mark V, 1000 Mark V. It's a very good headset, but to a large extent it was designed for you get the best quality, the best sound from an Android phone. When I'm playing it with my former Android phone, the Redmi 8 Pro, the sound quality I get here compared to my 15 Pro Max was 10 times better. So this I will be using for my new S25 Ultra, which will give me the best premium sound. I will be shuffling both. The day I want to listen to Apple Music or do things with my iPhones, I'll go with the Airpod Max. But the day I feel okay, let me listen to some other music from Android, I will use my Mark V. I bought this somewhat was it, can't remember, between the range of 500 to 550. Then I can't remember, so don't quote me, can't remember, but that was when I bought it, going to up to a year. So Apple really know how to sucker you in, because you won't get the most experience if you are not using their product. So, and because of that, I just decided, I said, look, what the hell, let me go for the Airpod Max. And I've used the Airpod Pro. I used the Airpod Pro 2 then, and I didn't get a good experience from it, so I just told myself I'd rather go for this. So that was why I chose to go for this, the Generation 2. There was no need buying the Generation 1, which was the lightning cable, because everything these days is Type-C. So I just said, no, let me go for the type C. And how much did I get this? So equivalent, how much did I pay? Close to, in Naira term, I paid 850,000 for this. So this is it in its glory. You can see it. Let me show you. You can see the name. You can see it. See it. So that you see what is there. You see it. And okay, is it? See it. Well written. Airpod Max with smart case, type C. So it's written boldly. So we're going to be unboxing it. I went for the black. I wanted the blue. I wanted to go for the blue, but you know, it is something that I'm going to be using for a very long period of time. So, and you all know that if you are going to use something for a very long period of time, it is better you go with the blue version. I mean with the black version, due to dust and everything. And you know, Nigeria is a very this thing. The blue will be fine. I love blue, but it won't stand the test of time. So that was why I went for this. So let's unbox it. So you can see it. This is how Apple packed it. So we're experiencing it together. This is out, and this is also out. So like I said, everything you are seeing me buying with buying here, I'm buying with my YouTube channel money. So I'm not using my salary. Like you all know, most of you all know, I'm a banker by profession. I'm a banker by profession. This is my 18th year in banking. But I do this just for the love of it and all. And everything I show you here is because of my dedication and my passion towards what I love. And I also want to use this medium to encourage each and every one of you that are still still contemplating to start a YouTube channel, to seize this opportunity to say, oh, let me go start. All you just need to take is have a goal, set a target for yourself, and keep doing it. 50 Cent said something. I don't know if you've listened to his autobiography, his book that came out in 2020 or so, 2020 that he released. He said, the hustling spirit should be like an engine in you that is running 24/7. 24/7 in you. It's not towards a common goal. It's not for a common aim towards a particular goal, but it should be a motto in you that should be constantly moving you towards driving you on a day-to-day basis, if you get what I mean. And with that, if you have that heart of a hustler, you will never fail. Like I said, I started my YouTube channel in August 2020, towards August 2024. Though I've already had it, but I didn't take it serious. And because I channeled that energy, here we are today. I'm already getting the dividends from YouTube. So I'm doing this video to inspire each and every one of you that are out there to say, chase your dream. The internet is real for the right purpose. If you put your mind towards it, people will bless you. I've gotten gifts from this channel. I've gotten money from this channel, irrespective of the fact that YouTube is paying me. I've gotten exposure. I've gotten sponsorship. So you can imagine the endless opportunities that comes with it. So don't waste your time thinking somebody owes you a favor. Go out there and get it done. Why? Because irrespective of the fact that I'm a banker, I earn salary, I'm okay, very, very okay, but I also want more. That appetite of wanting more is what drove me to start this YouTube channel. And I can tell you, it's one of the best decisions I ever made. So let's continue. So it's opened. So let me take it out so that you see. Just bear with me, guys. I want you to experience it with me. So this is it. Almost done. And it's glowy. Wow. So this is it. Wow. Guys. Wow. Look at it. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wee! Let's smell it. Ah! That's that fresh out of the box smell. There's nothing like brand new, guys. I'm so excited. I feel like a kid again. It has that fresh out of the box smell. Look at it, guys. Wow. It's heavy though. Very heavy. Jesus. So heavy, but let's put this aside. Let's look at what is in the pack. So, comes with this sticker. Comes with this sticker. Comes with the area sticker, Airpod Max, blah blah blah. Read, you know, Apple and so there's it. Comes with all the sticker you can think of. So let's put that back into the pack. I've always wanted to have an Airpod Max, so that's that. It also comes with the cable. See the cable, Type C to Type C. Other than that, nothing more. You know Apple and the way they do their things. So let's set it aside. Let's set this aside and let's focus on the main boy. Wow, guys, this is it. Wow. So let's unbox it together. I love that smell. So let's bear with me, guys. I feel like a child again. So don't mind me, guys. When you want something for so long, and this is what 50 Cent was saying, when you work hard to get something, when you achieve it, it will be the best thing you've ever experienced. That experience is 10 times great than when somebody handed it over to you. So it has this nice leather feel. This meshed grill is wow, guys. Wow, Apple really knows how to do a product. It's heavy though. I can feel the weight. This thing has weight to it. When you compare it to this one is child's play compared to this. We're going to be doing the comparison. We're going to be comparing it, but for now, let's celebrate this win. So let's take it out of the case. So this is the case. Okay, the cup is out. So the cup was like this. Let me just show you. The cup was like this. So it comes like this. So let's take it out. We don't need that. You can see it. Wow, 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 wow. So let's try it on. Guys. Wow. Shit. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Please don't mind me. I feel like a child again because I've always wanted an AirPod Max to enjoy the experience of my iPhone. Everything about my iPhone. You can see I have an what's it called? Most of them. Let me show you. Let me just show you. I have. You can see it. My iMac Tech Stock. You can see it. Let me show you. See it. That's my iMac desktop. You can see it. That's my desktop. So almost all my gadgets are Apple. So, and because of that, I always want as much as possible to have the necessary gadget. And you know, because Apple products are all encompassed into an ecosystem, if you don't have the full gadget, you won't enjoy or benefit the total experience of Apple. So this is just the unboxing. We're going to be doing in-depth review. You can see the mesh. Oh shit, guys. Wow. We're going to be doing an in-depth review. The moment I just kept it in my ear, there was no noise. Everywhere just became silent. Jesus. Guys, I can't wait to rock this. I'm so happy. And I want to thank you all, because it wouldn't have been possible without each and every one of you. Thank you all for your support. Like I said, I'm still going to be doing more, bringing you good content, great videos, and all, because in the end, I'm here to serve. I'm only here to serve you guys, and I'll try my best not to disappoint. This is Tech Pass Now in the Future, giving you a review of the Apple Airpod Max 2 Type-C. You can see this is the Type-C section. You can see it. This is the section here. I'll be charging it, and I can't wait to rock it with my 15 Pro Max. I'm actually using my 15 Pro Max to record this video, and I want to thank each and everyone once again. You've all been great. Like I said, I'm here to serve. Subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend that here on Tech Pass Now in the Future, I do nothing but give you nothing but the best. And until I see you in my next video, all I can say is remain blessed.